Nana, we're opening the first day on our calendar. And it looks like it's a boat. See? It looks like it's a boat. It's stiff. Really hard to get out. Oh, got it out.
Go. What are you doing?
I'm building it. I'm building the boat.
Okay.
I need a 2x1 tile. I got that 2x1 tile. I need a 2x2 tile. Got the 2x2 tile. And I need a 2x1 with a hole on it. With a stud on it. Well, then I need to place these here. And place this and this. Make them put together. Put them on this. And then put these on. And put this onto this little graboid thing and place it right here. And now I need this. Place this on the bottom and place this on top of that one. And now I just need to place this on it. Now let's just place it here, and it should be finished.
What do you say? Is it pretty cool?
It's pretty cool.
We have a few extra pieces.
Uh-huh.
Show it to the camera. What do you say to Nana?
Love you. And here, this is what it looks like.